Hey everybody, we're back. Here is the iPad Pro. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Apple Pencil as well as a quick setup of this. So let me just unlock my iPad quickly. So this is actually being filmed on my Pixel 3 XL. If you haven't watched the unboxing, I'll leave it up here. So here it is, the Apple Pencil version number 2. There's a lot of improvements on this one compared to the last one. So let's unbox this. So overall, I mean, this is probably the size of the actual pencil, and the way it charges, it's very similar. You just place it on the side of your iPad, and basically this part right here will attach magnetically to your pencil, and it will charge your Apple Pencil using this. Pull it open. So like I mentioned, your typical design by Apple in California. So in here you will find instructions and manuals on the pencil as well as a warranty guide. Okay. So here we go for the pairing. You just pick it up and then, so let's bring this close to the iPad. And that's how easy it is. Would you like to use this pencil with the iPad Connect? Welcome to the Apple Pencil. Wow, that was really fast. So some of the things like it's mentioned over here, you can create notes, switch tools with a gesture on the pencil, and then use your apps in a whole new way. Continue. Explore the double tap to switch between tools. Okay, all right, awesome. So here it is. So here it is, the Apple Pencil version number 2. Let's see how this one does. It feels a little bit heavier than a normal pencil. Okay, I'm gonna do a new note actually. And there you guys have it, the Apple Pencil version 2. If you guys like this video, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any future videos like this one. Let me know what you think about the Apple Pencil. It's a really cool device, but at the same time, it is pretty expensive for $130 US on top of your iPad Pro. Let me know if you actually used the previous version and if you take notes with it or not. As always, thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye.